beautiful recipe, guys, to share with you. It's gonna be like some butter pan fried potato. It's a new recipes and new ideas for you, and you can try it at home and see if you like it. Now, what you want to do, you want to get yourself some new potato like this, okay? And once you get your new potato, you want to cook them off into some water until they see them get soft like this, okay? Once them get soft, pour off it and cut them into half, or you can cut them into half first, but I prefer cut them into half after I cook them. That's they stay like this, okay? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk you through it and show you how to do this. Now what you want to do, medium sized frying pan on the stove, and we're going to put a little bit of oil in the frying pan, okay? You do not want to use too much oil, just a little bit to get the frying pan hot. And now we're just gonna dig into it with some butter. I'm gonna be using some unsalted butter, okay? So we're gonna be using some unsalted butter. Sorry. Alright. So what I do, now I'm gonna take out this butter. Once you see I rub this into it to get the flavor. So I just remove it, I put it into a smaller container. And then what you wanna do is get your potato and put them in like this and fry them, okay? Beautiful recipe for you to try at home if you want to do something totally different. So you want it to get fried properly, and in the meantime, let's go and put on some pepper. Little bit of basil. And some mixed herb. If you got a little bit of paprika, you can put a little bit of paprika on it. So you just want to fry your potato like this on a medium sized heat. And that is beautiful. So if you just want to try something totally different sometime, and this is just like another recipe for you to try at home, okay? I like oregano, nice to put on potato. we can do. Get a little piece. So you just want to make them fry nicely. Very nice. This you can have it with anything you want to have it with. Now, They are such beautiful guys, trust me. Now, I'm gonna turn off the cooker. That is lovely. Okay guys, and you can do this at home. Very easy and simple to make. It's a step-by-step recipe. Boil off your potato and pan fry them. You can serve them with chicken, whatever you want to serve them with, but the flavor inside of it is unbelievable. Alright, let's give it a try. If you like it, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We've got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo to you guys. Stay tuned and stay blessed, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.